Hello dear friends, here I am back again with another interesting topic. I hope all of you are doing well. Have you ever gone to the seashore? And what you have seen there? Yes, the waves you have seen, and yes, seashells in the seashore, and what else? Yes, sand castles, moving and people, children playing in the sea, and people sitting and watching the birds. And friends, can you see the end of the sea when you look at the sea? No, we can't see because it is very vast and very big. And we all like to go to the sea, and we all like to go to the seashore to watch, to see the beauty of the waves. And here we are going to study a new lesson. The lesson's name is waves. And can you see waves in the pond or in the river? No, we can see the waves only in the sea or oceans. Okay? Okay, we'll go before we start discussing the lesson. We'll just watch this video.
There are big waves and little waves, green waves and blue. Waves you can jump over, waves you dive through. Waves that rise up like a great water wall. Waves that swell softly and don't break at all. Waves that can whisper, waves that can roar, and tiny waves that run at you, running on the shore.
I hope all of you like the video of the poem. Okay? Yes. So, shall we start? Waves. Okay. So, I will read and you should underline the words I am telling. There are big waves and little waves, green waves and blue. Waves you can jump over and waves you can dive. Okay? There are big waves and little waves. Okay? Big ones, when you see it stand near the seashore, you see the waves coming, very big waves. You will be frightened to see that. And some waves, very small ones, little ones. Okay? So there are two types of waves. Which are they? Yes, big waves and small waves or little waves. Two types of waves are there, big waves and little waves. Green waves and blue. Okay, two colors are there. The waves have two colors. Which are they? Yes, green and blue. Okay, there are big waves and little waves and blue waves and green. Okay. Waves you can jump over, waves you can dive through. Okay? Yes, waves you can jump over, waves you can dive through. Okay? See the big waves comes. Some people used to dive in the sea. Okay, friends? So, there are big waves, little waves, green waves and blue waves. And waves you can jump over, or that small waves comes, you can just jump over it. Okay, and you can dive through it. Okay, yes. Now next, waves that rise up like a great waterfall, waves that swell softly and don't break at all. So waves that rise up like a great water wall. When you see from the pond itself, you will be frightened to see that because it comes as very big wall. You know, so like a water wall it comes. You will be seeing that. Okay, so like a water wall, it rises, and sometimes waves that swell softly and do not break at all. So, waves that swell softly. Underline the word swell. What is meaning of swell? Swell means just rising up. Okay. So you see from the far when you stand there near the seashore, you see that yes, it's a coming. Okay, it rise up little bit and then goes down, goes up, goes down, and it doesn't break at all. Okay, just continuously it's coming like this, and okay. So we discussed that waves that rise up like a great waterfall. There are waves which rise up like a great waterfall. Also there are some waves which just swells, rise up very slowly and moves on without breaking. Okay? Yes. Waves that can whisper, waves that can roar, and tiny waves that run at you, running on the shore. Okay, verbs that can whisper. Underline the word whisper. What is whispering? Yes, speaking very slowly, very softly. Okay, some verbs do not make much voice. They come very slowly, as if they are whispering to you. And there are some waves which roar like lion. So what is roaring? Underline the word roar. Yes. Crying in a big loud voice is called roaring. So some waves whisper to you and some waves as roaring. And tiny waves that run at you, run at you means come towards you. So tiny words, the small little waves come towards you to play with you. Okay, the tiny waves comes towards you to play with you who are running on the shore. When you stand or playing there, you see the small little waves comes to you and go back very slowly. Okay, friends, that's it. Just revise what we have studied. There are two types of waves. They are big waves and little waves. And two color, that is green and blue. And you can jump over and dive through these waves. When the big waves comes, you can dive through. When the little waves comes, you can just jump over it. And so how it comes? Some waves comes as a great water wall, big waves, and some tiny ones swell softly. Okay? Yes, rise up softly and without breaking, it comes. And last what we studied, and last what we have seen, yes, some waves whisper to you, and other waves roaring at you. Okay, and the tiny waves comes to play with you when you are playing in the seashore or the beaches. Okay? Okay. Shall we discuss the exercise given there? What does the child in the poem do on the shore? What do the waves do? Write C for child and waves, W for waves. Okay, so who is diving? Already done for you, child. Rise. Who rise? Boy. So, waves or child? Yes, waves. Swell. Who swells? Swells means rise up. Who rise up? With swells means rise up. So it's waves. Jump. Yes. The child can jump on it. So it's sea. Whisper. Yes. Waves whispers and roaring also waves does. Okay. So there are big waves and little waves we have studied. So write these words in the correct boxes. Some words are given. You have to write it in correct boxes. So see, the words are given there. You read the poem correctly and do it, or we will discuss in the class. Okay. So rhyming words are there. That also do it as homework. Write these words in your notebook. Also find out the rhyming words. Okay. Rest we will discuss in the live class tomorrow. Wish you a wonderful day.